Hello everyone, my name is Raksha, student of 9th class. I am going to tell summary of the chapter 1, The Lost Child. First of all, the child was very excited and very happy for fair. He goes to fair with his parents. And it was the festival of the spring. Many shops in the way like toys, but the child attracted by toys. The child wants to take it, but that his parents will not buy them for him, so he moved it from there. He watched dragonflies, butterflies, insects and worms. They are walking on the footpath. The child was very confused because many ways on the footpath. So the first of all, the child was a sweetmeat seller in the fair. The sweetmeat seller was sell gulab jamun, rasgulla, jalebi and barfi. He wants to take a barfi, but that his parents will not buy them for him, so he moved it from there. And second time, the child was a snake charmer. He wants to listen him, but that his parents will not ready for him. And third time, the child was a garland of flowers, but that his parents will not buy them for him. And at last, the child was a swing. He wants to sit in the swing, but that his parents will not ready for him, so he requested to his parents, but there was not reply. So the child was his parents, but they are not there. So the child started to cry very loudly and said that I want my parents, I want my parents. The child reached in the temple. There was very crowd, and a man asked that whose baby are you? But the child started to cry very loudly and said that I want my parents, I want my parents. And at last the man asked that will you sit in the swing? Will you take many toys and sweets? But the child started to cry very loudly and said that I want my parents, I want my parents. That's about this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.